Stay home, be safe, and keep learning. Why do I say that? Number one, I want you to stay home, be safe, and keep learning. But if you analyze the structure of the three sentences, it's belong into three sentences, which is an odd number. So poets, artists, photographers, designers for the longest time have been incorporating odds in their composition. And today's lesson, odds. The rule of odds. This lesson was originally launched on my e-learning website here. And I thought that I want you to enjoy what you can learn if you're a subscriber on my e-learning website. Enjoy. Artists, composers, designers, comedians, speech makers throughout centuries have been using this amazing rule to captivate audience, viewers, listeners. It's called the rule of odds. Let me give you an example. I was triggered when I heard our Malaysian Prime Minister speak on TV just a few days back during the COVID-19 lockdown. He came on stage on TV and then he said that the situation that we are undergoing now is unprecedented. 1. This may not be the government that you voted for. 2. But I want you to know that we care for you. 3. So you notice that our Prime Minister used 3 lines in his speech to win the heart of the nation. Let me give you another example of how a comedian uses it. I went on Facebook recently after being quarantined for so long. I posted on my wall, I said, "Hey, anybody knows a good psychiatrist?" 1. I think I'm losing my mind. 2. Because I woke up and I found myself talking to my wife. 3. So if you look at this, this is called the rule of odds. 3, 1, 3, 5, 7. These are all odd numbers. Let me give you another example. Go straight, turn left, turn right, and get lost. That's how you use the rule of odds in speeches, in comedies, and we as photographers should be using the rule of odds as well in our composition of photos. So you notice that if you were to compose a photo, try to have 3 of them. So if you look at these photos, they use 3 subjects. Maybe even 5. So this is basically how rule of odds work. 1, 3, 5. But bear in mind, anything more than 5, your viewers may be losing count and it doesn't matter. So 1 is a favorite number among professional photographers and subscribers. That's called the rule of odds. But you must be thinking, seldom you see 3s of something or 5 or something. It's your composition. All you need to do is move your camera until you crop only 3. You may have 7 or 8 or 9 people, but just focus your attention in the composition just to that 3 person. It's your duty to crop it as 3. You don't sit there and wait for 3 things to happen. Oh hey, one of my friends actually taught this recently. Can I borrow this? So your answer should be in rule of odds as well. Yes, you may. Instead of just saying yes, that's kind of rude and abrupt. Somebody say that, "Hey, why do you break this?" Your answer should be, "Sorry." No, that's too abrupt and short. It should be, "I'm so sorry." I'm so sorry. These are 3 words. Another example. Have you taken your lunch? Yes. That's again not good. So applying the rule of odds, the answer should be, "Yes, I have." 3 words. So alright, before we end this lesson, I'll bring your attention to this e-learning website that I have. Online ProCert program. Check out this course. This is a highly popular course because it's an e-learning certification program that guides you and turn you from a beginner photography to become a professional photographer. This is important now because as the world goes into full digital because of COVID-19 pandemic, the world now needs to put all the business online, and online businesses needs pictures. As I speak today, we shot for 2 clients. One is a dental surgeon, the other one is a food restaurant. And what they need all these pictures for? To bring their businesses to online platform so that they can still do business under the lockdown. And here's the annoying part, after 1 year, Malaysia is going into our full lockdown again because this is our daily new infection rate. It's tiring. But if you have a new skill like photography, you can still turn this into a good income. So hurry, check out this course now because it's undergoing a promo to help you get started. So instead of paying for this price, this is the promo price now. So with this course, we have close to 50 video lessons, complete with assignments, and a lot of subscribers and their galleries, and everybody is so motivated helping each other. And you want to check out our star rating system that will help you and compel you to become a better photographer. And not only that, you have all these certs to collect. And our competency evaluation system is one of the best in the e-learning world. So hurry, head on to my website, subscribe now, take opportunity of this course when it's undergoing a promo now. And together, we'll do well in the photography business.